to the channel. My name is Mark. I'm the Mediocre Modeler. This is the final reveal of my U.S.A.C.C group build 2025. It's the 1968 Dart. Just finished it. This thing was a definite challenge. I had a lot of fun building it though. Again, just under the wire. I want to thank you guys though for supporting my channel, giving me likes, subscribes, commenting. I appreciate each and every one of you. Excuse me, still fighting the cold. Yeah, so I threw in a lot of aftermarket parts, and you know, I did more than usual detailing. Like I said, it was a lot of challenge, and it was a lot of fun, and I can't believe I finished in time. I cracked myself up, man. You know, just under the wire, the last couple of them. So I'm going to give you a slideshow of the build progress and some music, and then I'll turn you around to show you the final reveal, okay? Thank you. I'll be right back. Guys, like that slideshow? We're calling this the Diabolical Dart. That's a cool name, Scully. Yeah, I thought of it myself. That's a good guy. I had a lot of fun building this kit. First time I ever tubbed a chassis, or you know, made a Pro Street. It was pretty cool. It didn't come out perfect, but I like the way it came out. Yeah, the Diabolical Dart. So I built the car that maniac that tried to run me off the road back in 1979. He would have never caught this Dart. My brother's Dart was a 6-cylinder, and he drove like Steve McQueen to get away from that guy, and we were lucky. And you know what? I forgive you if you're out there still, if you're still alive. I wouldn't recommend doing that to people, but um, you know, you gotta chill out, dude. So this dart is painted with sienna. That's a 1975 Dodge Dart color, and that was from Scale Finishes. I painted. I did primer, Scale Finishes. Excuse me, guys. I'm tired. I've been working on this all day to get it done. I can't talk. Uh, so Scale Finishes primer, gray. 3 coats of sienna, and then I think it was 3 coats of 2K clear and hardener and reducer. And I want to give a shout out to my buddy Jim Rondos. He's a great guy and a great painter and good friend, and he's taken me under his wing on the last couple builds, and really appreciate that. So I hope I did this right by you there, Jim. So I did 3 coats of Scratch X, 3 coats of Meguiar's Ultimate Polish, and then 3 coats of Griot's Best of Show wax. I used bare metal foil on this build. I used Revell Chrome Spray on a bunch of stuff. The hood is flat black primer and matte clear. I put a little wing on the back, and that came out of the 1970 Dodge Super B kit. The front tires came from the 1968 Z28 Camaro, and the rear tires came from the 1967 Chevelle Pro Street kit. The wheels came from the 1970 Dodge Super B kit. I have a little photo etch in the grill. I'll show you that in a minute, but I used spare photo etch that I had for my M1 tank that I built. I did aftermarket speakers on this. I did Edgar interior 4-point harness. So that was pretty good. Came out nice. Let me stop this thing, get you a little closer, and I'll show you the final here. I wanted to put this engine in, but 426 dual overhead cam Hemi engine. Couldn't fit it in there. I already lost a door handle. I'm sure I'll find that in the next day or two. I'm taking a break after this build. Took me a lot to get it done, but I got it done. So I did the photo etch in the scoop there. Came all nice. Yeah, lost the door handle. So my buddy Jim showed me how to make door locks with pins. So that was pretty neat. Thank you, Jim. The interior. So I wired the windshield washer fluid bottle, and I wired the battery. I did a scratch built radiator hose. I did an aftermarket distributor. I painted that tan, and wired the engine. Let me see what else I do in there. That's pretty much it. I just broke something off, another handle. door handle. This thing did not want to get built. Yeah, I broke another handle off. Oh boy. So I'm happy the way it turned out though. Show you the underneath. This brought me to the outer limits of my ability. But, I'm not afraid to try new things and test myself. Oh yeah, I wanted tune, so I did a antenna. That came out good. Oop, I'm knocking everything off. So, yeah, okay. The mirrors came off. So I lost a handle. I just knocked off a handle and I knocked off a mirror. That's the way my day's been going. But I got it done in time. I had a lot of fun. This is a cool kit, Kim. I'm glad you picked this. I would definitely build it again. Oh yeah, speakers. You gotta have tunes. So guys and girls, that's my Diabolical Dart. I named my build last year the Frankenford for last year's group build. But thank you, Mr. Mark Batson, for hosting this, and U.S.A.C.C. Thank you too, and thank you, Kim, for picking this awesome kit. I didn't get a chance to watch anybody's videos, but I will in the next week, I'm sure. So, guys and girls, I hope you like it. Peace out. Keep on building.